Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this informative video, we dive into the essential skills you need to master for effectively handling various types of injuries. Whether you're a health hero wanting to equip yourself with life-saving knowledge or simply someone who wants to be prepared during emergencies, this video is for you. In this episode, we'll cover a range of first aid tips and techniques that will empower you to confidently handle common injuries. Burns. Let's start with burns. If someone gets burned, run cool water over the affected area for at least 10 minutes. Then, cover the burn with a clean, non-stick bandage. Remember, never use adhesive bandages directly on a burn. Stop the burning process as soon as possible. This may mean removing the person from the area, dousing flames with water, or smothering flames with a blanket. Remove any clothing or jewelry near the burnt area of skin. Cool the burn under cold running water for at least 20 minutes. Cooling the burn will reduce pain, swelling and the risk of scarring. The sooner and longer a burn is cooled with cold running water, the less the impact of the injury. Cover the burn with a sterile gauze bandage or a clean cloth. If you have any doubts about how to treat a burn or if it's serious enough to warrant medical attention, seek medical help immediately. Cuts and scrapes. Next up, cuts and scrapes. Clean the wound gently with water and mild soap. Apply an antibiotic ointment and cover it with a sterile bandage. Change the bandage daily until it has healed. Wash your hands to avoid infection. Stop the bleeding by applying direct pressure with a clean cloth, bandage or gauze for 10 to 20 minutes. Clean the wound with cool water and mild soap, and gently dry the area. Apply a thin layer of antibiotic ointment to the wound to reduce the risk of infection. Cover the wound with a sterile bandage or dressing and change it daily or when it becomes wet or dirty. Seek medical assistance if the bleeding is rapid, the wound is deep, or there are signs of infection. Get a tetanus shot if needed. Nosebleeds. Now, onto nosebleeds. If someone experiences a nosebleed, have them sit up firmly and slightly lean forward, not backward, to avoid blood from flowing down the throat. Pinch the soft part of the nose or the part just below the bridge of the nose for at least 10 minutes. An ice pack across the nose bridge can also help. If the bleeding lasts more than 15 minutes, is severe, or follows a serious injury, seek medical attention. Frequent nosebleeds may indicate serious conditions, especially in the elderly. To prevent nosebleeds, use humidifiers, ointments, or saline sprays to keep the nasal passages moist. Blowing the nose and using a nasal decongestant can clear blood clots and reduce bleeding. Sprains and strains. Moving on to sprains and strains. Rest, ice, compress, and elevate. These are the keys to successfully managing these injuries. Avoid putting weight on the affected area, and apply ice for 15 minutes every 2 hours. When you sprain or strain a muscle, it's important to rest the injured area and avoid any activities that cause pain. You can also ice the area to reduce swelling, compress the area with an elastic bandage, and elevate the injured area above heart level if possible. If you have any doubts about how to treat a sprain or strain or if it's serious enough to warrant medical attention, seek medical help immediately. Fractures. Finally, let's talk about fractures. If you suspect a fracture or broken bone, make sure the injured person doesn't move. It's important to immobilize the injured area and seek medical attention immediately. Do not try to move the injured area or straighten it out. If possible, apply ice to the area to reduce swelling and pain. If necessary, take over-the-counter pain relievers. Remember, these tips are not a substitute for professional medical advice. They are just essential first aid measures. Always seek medical attention if the situation worsens or doesn't improve. Thank you for watching and empowering yourself with these emergency first aid tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable information. Stay safe and be a health hero.